Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel US Immigration and Visa. My name is Aditya and let's start with today's topic. Today I want to discuss about US, how we can apply US travel visa or apply for any visa, any US visa. So let's see where we have to go and what we have to do. So first I will take you on the Google, and here we will write apply for US visa. Here you can see number of links. If you will come down here, this one, okay, this link is a old one. This portal, US apply for US visa portal, is a old portal that is used before, till last year. But now US government has introduced a new portal for applying for the US visa. This is a new portal. How we will come here? I will close this. In this Google search only, you can see this red link, ustraveldocs.com. Here you have to click it. This link will open. You can see apply for a US visa. You can read all these things if you want to. First thing you have to do is you have to choose your location. Whichever country you belong to, you have to choose that. I will just select India. So here I will click on I, and it will open all the options that comes with all the countries that starts with I. Here I will select in India. If you if you want the site to be in Hindi, you can select it here. Same way, it will the same site, same portal will open, and that will be in Hindi. So I will close this. I will go with the English one. Here you can see apply for US visa from India. And like if you are somewhere in, for example, say, I will just randomly click N, and if you want to apply from, say, Nigeria, so you can click here. So it depends which country you want to apply from, you have to select that. Similarly, come back to this. Here you get a two visa category. Either you are applying for non-immigrant visa or you are applying for the immigrant visa. So accordingly, you have to select whichever category you are applying for. I will click on non-immigrant visa. So this is an important notice that it says, you can read it. Whatever is the latest update for applying, they will publish it here and you can have a look at it. All the things that's mentioned, MRV fee, expedite, how you can request for expedite appointment, all receipts and payment, MRV fees, how you have to pay it, everything is mentioned here. I will close this. Here we come on US non-immigrant visa application. How you can, it is explained. If you click here on how to apply, they will explain you all the steps that are required to apply. And if you have already created a login, or if you want to log in to fill the form to apply for the US immigrant US visa, you can click on the login. First we will see how to apply. It will take you to how to apply for non-immigrant visa. Step 1 is know your visa type. First thing is you have to know your visa type, which visa you want to apply for. Second thing is complete your application. You have to complete the application, fill everything which they are asking to apply for the visa. So third step is you have to pay for your visa fee. That is $185 as concerned to India. So it also depends on your visa type, because different visa type has a different category, different fee. If I talk about the student visa, it is 185, and if I talk about the tourist visa also, then it is 185 only. If I am not wrong, if I am wrong, please correct me. If you have Once you have paid for your visa fee, you can schedule your appointment and attend your interview. After scheduling your appointment, like it is appointment is for, just take an example, for 15th March or 15th April or 15th May or any other day, you on that particular day you have to attend your visa interview. And if your interview goes through and they approve your visa, then you can track your pass. They will keep your visa here, they will keep your passport here to put a visa on it. So if they keep your passport and inform you that your visa is approved, then after that you can track your passport. It takes about 5 to 7 days to reach to for your visa to get printed on your passport, and to passport come back to the VAC, so you can track your passport accordingly. If I click here, know your visa type, you can say common non-immigrants category, business tourist visa 185, work visas 205. They have mentioned also visa type, student visa F and M, that is 185, exchange visitor visa 185 J type. Similarly, there are many other visas. You can check the list accordingly. There's visa waiver program as well. Like if you already have a previous visa, if I say if I have a travel visa B1 B2 and it expired or it is about to expire, then I can apply to renew my visa or to apply for another visa. In that case, I can get a visa waiver. I can apply within visa waiver program, and I don't have to go for the visa interview. I can get a visa if I am applying in the same uh, visa category. If I previously have a visitor visa but I want to apply now for the student visa or the work visa, then I have to go for the uh, visa interview. I may be wrong in that because these guidelines keep on changing. So if I am wrong, please correct me. In this case, please comment and correct me. Similarly, if you want to renew your visa, you can do that. Diplomatic and government officials. Next step is complete your application. So how complete your application? You have already filled, if you have reached till this step, then you have already filled your DS 160 form. Then everything is filled. Just when you log in, you have to put few of your details to apply for the visa interview, to apply for the visa interview. Next is you have to pay a fee, whichever the fee you are whichever the visa category you are applying for, you can pay your fee. You have to schedule an appointment. Your appointment can be scheduled at the nearest US embassy or consulate. If I talk specifically about India, in India you have to schedule an appointment twice. Like first it will be a VAC appointment in which you have to give your biometric, your fingerprints and your photo and everything. Next day or whenever is the next your scheduled interview is there, you have to go to the embassy or the consulate for the visa interview. In other countries, it differs. Some countries have the procedure when both the VAC biometric and the interview can be done on the same day. So you have to check it accordingly, what is prevalent in your country, what is the process in your country. In India, it happens in 2 days. It can't happen in a single day. You have to attend your interview whichever the embassy you have selected, whichever the city you have selected, or whichever the embassy or consulate you have selected. You have to attend your interview in that particular embassy or consulate on that particular day. And after that, you have to track your passport. Okay, if I take you to login, here a new window will open. And see, if if I if like I have created a username and password, my login credentials, then I can directly put username and password and captcha and can log in. If I have not created, if I'm coming on this site for the first time and applying for the US visa for the first time, then first I have to sign up now. If you, in case you have forgot your password, you can reset your password as well. So if you are new, you have to sign up now. Go to sign up now. You have to fill all your details like username, whatever you are looking for, password, your email address. A verification link will be sent on your email address, your given name, your surname. There are security questions as well, 3 security questions that you have to answer, and these, out of these three, any two will be asked every time when you log in. Similarly, there are a number of questions you can answer them. So you have to remember those answers because these will be asked every time when you log in. So if I come back here on the login page, I will fill these details and will take you inside also inside of this portal to tell you how it looks like and what you can do further once you log in.